Merry Christmas.
Play and we play fetch and run out. Oop, oop, oop. This is from Zach's dad's house. We got it stuff. You're gonna hurt your back, please. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. It's even worse than yesterday outside. It's raining. I got my big ears on already. Just made a peppermint mocha. Here's a little baby nut. Hi girl. You're a sweet girl. You're all wet from the rain. Do your tummy feel better now? Good girl. Good girl. She's so big now. Intrigued?
This is wild.
Zach's like near the end of Red Dead. Okay, well I don't want to give away too many spoilers. If any of you guys play Red Dead.
Alright babe, I told you. I said he's gonna meet me at camp. This might be it.
That might be it now that I'm seeing. Yeah, that might be it. Because I of course looked up spoilers. I have to with everything. Yeah. I think we might run to Aldi's.
Oh, shit. One of the ladies brought out a freaking shotgun.
Which one, Karen?
Oh, and Karen just got shot.
No! Karen was a drunk and I loved her. I think we might run to Aldi's today, maybe, I don't know. If not, we're just chilling, doing the same thing we've been doing, but ooh, I still got the tags on here. That's what's going on. Here, guys, go. I feel like I don't, ooh, stretch. Good girl. I feel like I don't show this enough, her being sweet. Now of course she's gonna stop because my camera's out. But I literally just like sat on the floor and she just like came and sat on my lap and was like giving me kisses. Yeah. And I feel like so many people like don't believe that she's just like this sweet little calm girl. Cause she
I'm trying to
is.
catch the ball.
Like 85% of the time, she's like super sweet and calm. Then she has like her little spurts of like energy that she wants to play. Hi. That she wants to play, and we play fetch and run outside. Yeah. And then like 5% is when she is just on, oh yeah. Oh, good girl. And then like 5% is when she's just like on a roll and just wants to be annoying. But 95% of the time, she's like the best dog ever. I think she's super calm. And, I don't know what's the word. I think her temperament is pretty calm, actually. And she's only a baby. Like, she's not even 5 months old yet.
Wow.
But, you know, like our friends or like when we're around other people and stuff, she can be crazy, but she's excited to meet new people. Like, I feel like that's pretty common for a puppy. She's just a sleepy little puppy.
Josh, John,
Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yesterday morning, we were, I laid on the couch and she came and, ow!
You don't dive. What are you doing?
Zach's raging at Red Dead. And she came and she just like sprawled like that and I started like rubbing her head. And she was like smiling so big. It was so cute. But she's been sleeping for like an hour now, so she might get up in a little bit. I think I'm gonna go get ready because we're gonna go to Aldi's in a little bit to get groceries. Ow! Good girl, thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Be sweet. Ow! Nice kisses. Nice kisses.
You can't even fucking avoid that. Stupid.
So yeah, that's what's going on, and I'm uploading Vlogmas from yesterday. Just got my sweet little girl, my sweet big girl, and all these like puppy charts and like puppy estimator and stuff say she's gonna be small for her age, and she's small for her age right now. So I don't know. I need to put my knee brace on because my knee's like hurting because I literally just like never wear it anymore, which is bad. But I'm gonna put it on to go to Aldi's and be a good Samaritan. But I think I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes tomorrow because they're disgusting and I haven't in forever. And like this is literally my beauty blender, and like here's where I got it. So it has a little rip in it. Oh, I thought it had a bigger rip. That might be the biggest one, but like you can see, like, I don't know if it'll focus on it. Maybe? Like it was like light, there we go. Like it was like light blue and now it's like brown because they just don't wash it and it's really bad. But I might talk through some of this. I might speed up through some of this. I'm just gonna see how it goes. This is the beauty blender I normally use. It's the Tarte one and I love it because it's like a different kind of shape. But I don't know, I just didn't feel like doing it. Warming it up. Let's see, I have like 16 foundations in here. I need to take these two out. These two, my skin is way too freaking dry for these. This used to be my favorite foundation in high school. Where's your bone, baby? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? You're all wet. You were just outside. You all wet. They were my favorite foundations in high school, but now my skin's just too dry for them. And it's like, this is too like heavy and cakey. No, don't eat that. Where's your bone? She's gonna eat all my makeup. Stop! Ow. I don't know if this sweater's gonna work out. It's like bugging me because that makes it go like all the way up here. And I'm chubby. I'm not putting on primer because my skin's too dry. That's why I legit just put on the wipe out. Zach just wiped out on his booty. I just put on that spray. That's all I need. Tarte is my favorite makeup company ever. This room's like fun to play in because there's no furniture or anything. It's just like a big open space. Nope. Boop. You got foundation on you. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Point blank, no discussion. Close mouth, out. I give it to you, no interruption. Love Hoodie Allen. You said Hoodie Allen was popular when you were in high school too, right?
Yeah.
It's popular at my high school.
Well, it's popular in my private school at least.
Oh really? Not your public school?
I don't know. He went. I don't know. He hadn't like dropped an album in a couple years.
Oh.
By the time I got over there.
Gotcha.
Well, it wasn't popular in middle school.
He was popular at my high school. That's it. I don't know what else to do. Put on my bronzer and blush.
Okay.
Do I look skinnier? I'm so pale. I need to put these away because these are my tan shades for summer. I'm just gonna do a quick. Freaking love lip scents. Zach likes it too because I can kiss him and there's nothing. Yeah, girl, this is the jam. his wife, and she's that wife that decorates on the 4th of July. Says every day Independence Day. Can I show your head? Hi. Do you like my song? He's got the red, white, blue flying high on the farm. December flag tattooed on his left arm. Spend a little more. What was I thinking? Do you want to go play with Rufus? What? Babe, I don't care what you wear. Oh, were they? We're about to leave. I love this sweater. Don't you?
North
I love
Pole.
yours. Wasn't that your #1 artist of 2018? Taylor Swift?
No. That was the first song I listened to. In
Oh, it's Taylor Swift.
In game. Sarah!
Come on, stinky butt.
Time to go.
We're gonna go see Rufus.
Come on. Come on, baby. Go.
We gonna go see Rufus.
Go, girl.
My lip sense color is Bella. In case you guys care, but yeah, we're gonna go see Rufus. Went to his dad's house, then we went to Aldi's and Walmart. You know she's gonna want to come with.
Come on. Sit.
And it's like literally pouring frickin' rain all frickin' day, and it's miserable. And I'm never leaving the house again. That's what I've decided. And I'm eating a cookie because I'm hungry. I'm grumpy now. It's just like miserable. Like it's raining, pouring. I'm cold. I'm over it. I'll show you guys a quick little grocery haul. Zach got pizza. Very unhealthy because I was hungry and grumpy. So we got lots of yummy, unhealthy foods. Just the way I like it. Mini pizzas. These were $4 and there's 4. 4 for $1. That's a good deal. Huge bag of fries, which I'm literally going to put in the air fryer right this minute. I think these are the last 2 freezer things. I just got 2 packs of super yummy vegan chicken nuggets. Because they're the best ever. They're literally better than like Boca and like the name brands. Veggie broth. Just miserable. Outside we got some ranch. Delish. I got frozen broccoli. Okay, we'll just keep it open because it's just gonna keep slamming. Zach got some ham. Got some chicken, broccoli, and cheese potato soup Zach got. I got this minestrone. It's actually really good. Some cheese to make grilled cheese and tomato soup. Zach has a nice pasta sauce. This is 4 cans of tomato soup. Sourdough bread, that's the best bread ever. Zach's gonna use it for lunch meat, and then we're making like grilled cheese with it, like fancy grilled cheese. Ew, our house is disgusting. Cool. Noodles and noodles. Is that everything, babe?
That is everything.
Heck yeah. Was your lunch good? Stinky butt? Good girl. Oh my god, she was farting so bad in the car.
Oh, it's good.
It was disgusting. She smelled so bad. Guys, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news.
What?
Jolly Ball's gone. Sora's favorite toy is missing. It's missing.
You sure it's not the door?
Babe, I looked. Where's Jolly? Where's Jolly Ball? And she's ripped up more stuffing. You know, the floor was clean for a whole like 3 days, but
Maybe not 3 days.
I think it was a little longer than that, actually. No, I think it's been like since Thursday.
Yeah, it's been like...
So like 2 days. Babe, we gotta find Jolly, 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 we gotta find Jolly.
If the dog doesn't attack me, I'll gladly try. Look, I said you didn't. You couldn't.
Breaking news!
That's what I thought.
You need to do that every time she starts biting. Or being naughty, just scare her. Nice kissy, nice kissy, nice kissy. Nice. She's nice to me. You're saying she's not nice to me?
No, I said like she's being nice after I do that.
Oh.
Like she gets like puts her ears back and gets super sweet.
Come here, sassy butt. Come here, sassy butt. Oh my god. She killed me. Oh.
I found it, Zara.
Jolly ball!
I found it.
Oh my god. Wait, you should get her blue football that's under there too. It's been under there for like 3 months. And Passy's under there now. Babe, you gotta get him. You gotta get him. You gotta get him. You gotta get him. What is this technique that you're trying? You're gonna hurt your back, babe. You almost hit me. No, it's back! Back! Yay! Your favorite toy! Babe, where's her blue football and Passy? Babe.
Did run away, girl.
This is her favorite toy, don't you think?
Oh yeah.
This and Christmas Owl she loves. Oh, you scared her. Oh, sweet girl. Ooh. Oh my god, that scared me. Wait, babe, where's her blue football and Passy? Babe, you gotta get it. That used to be her favorite when she was little baby.
Ready? Look, we're gonna surprise her with the blue football for Christmas. So when she's sleeping in there one day, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna wrap it.
Yeah.
And she's gonna go, plastic.
You should.
I am.
Okay. Passy's under there too. She's been playing with that, babe. Babe, Passy's under there.
Okay, I'll wrap
It's out. It's like right there though. No, Christmas Owl's under there too.
Oh, I'm wrapping them all for Christmas.
Babe, she's not gonna last without her Christmas Owl. Hey, stinky butt.
Zara. Zara. Bring the jar ball.
She's using me as cover. You do.
Oh, you big bit. Oh my.
Oh.
What is that?
Hey, baby nut. Aw, it's your daddy. It's daddy.
Look, here's my Christmas. Come on, let's take our Christmas picture. Look into the mirror.
Aw, Zara.
Zara,
She's
Zara.
biting. Zara.
We both gonna bark at the door. Run!
She does not like that. I love it. That's her punishment noise. Instead of saying no, do that.
I know. At night.
Zora, come. Zora. Zora, come. Okay, sit.
When she wakes up at 2 a.m. this morning, I'm gonna bark at her.
No, tell them about last night.
Oh my god. So.
But it was actually okay.
Yeah, it ended up fine. Come here. Come here.
We're all just gonna hang out by the door. Good girl.
Look, we'll hang out with you. Family
Okay.
time. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I go to bed at like 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wake up, it's still dark. So I'm like, damn.
Yeah, damn.
Wake up, it's still dark. She woke up at like 3. She's been waking up at like 3 the past couple nights.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, damn. She woke up at 3. Shut up.
People are gonna think we're torturing her. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be bad. The bad puppy's gonna get you. Okay, anyway, your story. Oh, nice kisses. Nice kisses. Okay. Okay.
Good girl. Go, okay, go lay down.
Good girl. Sit. Good girl.
Okay, so yeah. So I get up. I'm looking at her. I'm like, what is your problem? I'm like half asleep. I don't have my contacts in. I can't see it. She's just like a blur. But I can like see
A barking
I can see
blur.
her ears poking up. Yeah.
You like that? Oh.
But,
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Cat's right outside.
I don't know if it's a cat. I think it's like a little kid screaming.
Oh, okay.
But, yeah. Come here.
Hi, sassy butt.
One person, you know. Yeah. This has been interrupted so many times for our dog.
That's our life. Our life is interrupted by her.
Yeah, so I get up, I look at her, I'm like, Zora, why? And then I look at my phone, and then it's 1:40 in the morning. I'm like, what in the fuck is going on? I'm sitting here, I'm like, okay, I guess I'll take you outside. Take her outside, she poops and pees. I'm like, okay.
Like, good girl.
I'm like, okay. No bark, or I'll bark right back. And then I'm sitting here, I'm like, alright, we're good. She'll go back to sleep for the rest of the night. I lay down, I'm so tired, I fall like right asleep. Boom!
Hi, sweet girl. Hi. You're okay. You're okay.
Look, I'm not trying to be mean, girl. I'm just trying to teach you a lesson. You know? You want to know what it feels like to be barked at?
Bark like that at 3 a.m., please.
I will.
Okay, continue on.
Once I like put her away.
Yeah.
But, so I put her away, and I'm like, alright. I fall asleep like immediately.
Mm-hmm.
I look at my phone, I'm like, God, my God, she woke up at 3:30 again. I'm like, how did this happen?
Mm-hmm.
It's not even 2 minutes later. I just went to sleep that fast. And she just would not shut up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting here, ugh.
And okay, and I had like just went to sleep. I went to sleep at like 1 a.m. Like I literally had just gone to sleep. So I didn't wake up.
Yeah, so of course I'm awake.
And you're on her side. You're right next to the bed.
Next to her bed.
She barks like right in your face too.
She literally gets in her back part of the bed.
Good girl.
Where my face is,
Mm-hmm.
right? One night, she literally licked my hand because I had it out.
Get off! What is that? Okay.
Okay, so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So then like that happens, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I wake up and it's like 30 minutes later and she's still not asleep. She's just barking. She's being a bad girl. Like right now, Zora, come
She's just
here.
running around. What she did? We're gonna take you outside in just a second. Let Daddy finish his story.
Right.
Okay?
Come here. Hey, sit. Sit. Zora, sit down. Okay, you're not close enough for down, but good girl.
She'll go down for me, I bet. Zora, down.
Good
girl. She listens to me though. That's what we need to
listens to
work
me.
on.
She
Her
listens
listening
to me.
better.
Look, girl, your pacing
okay.
ain't gonna help.
Yeah,
It's
you
gonna make
need to
more
chill.
tired.
Lay by the door. It's cool.
Over here. I won't bark, I promise. Unless you start barking, then I'll bark.
You're okay.
Good girl.
Good girl. Okay. Half an hour later.
Half
Like
an hour later,
2:30.
she's still like whining.
Mm-hmm.
And I just keep talking to her. I'm like, what is your problem, Zora?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, Zora, I'll freaking RKO you. Promise. I will. And then
You're okay.
eventually I just told her to suck it up and lay down and go to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And then I fell asleep and none of that. None of that. Don't look so mad.
She's such a little cooter.
I know, Cooter. But then, so yeah. So that happens. I wake up, or I go to sleep, and I wake up, and I was like, I could just like, my body could like sense it. It just thought she was barking.
Yeah.
So I woke up, but she's asleep.
Mm-hmm.
Went back to sleep. She slept till like 7:40. Oh, I was
Yep.
super proud. I was ready to go. I had so much sleep because of that.
Yeah.
That's
You and Daddy had a good morning.
first night in a while. Wake
I
up.
slept until like 8:30, I think.
Yeah, you slept till like 8:30.
Yeah.
And then yeah, woke up, played some Red Dead, played with Zora.
Mm-hmm.
Then Zora went like right back to sleep.
Okay, we gotta take her outside before she goes crazy.
Okay. All right.
But then I have a funny video for you to watch.
Funny video for me.
Yeah.
All right. ready here?
Oh, and by the way, I told Zach this last night, but 2 nights ago, Zach was howling in his sleep, and it was hilarious. I literally, he's laying on his side, like the side away from me. He turns, and lays flat. Then literally, a minute later, he just, lifts his head up, and he's like, "Ooh!" He's like, "Oh, I howl like a wolf. Oh!" And then he just fucking puts his face straight down back into the pillows. It was great. It was great. And I have a video of you talking in your sleep last night. Yeah,
Oh, man.
I swear, I think he was talking about Red Dead last night in his sleep. I don't know, but it's funny too, because then I'll wake him up after, and I'm like, "Babe, do you know what you were saying?" And he's like, "No," but it's in this little sleepy voice, and I know he's not actually awake. And I'll be like, "Are you actually awake?" He's like, "Yeah, I'm awake." He's like, "I'm awake." I'm like, "Are you gonna remember this tomorrow?" He's like, "Yeah, I'm awake." But he's not, ever. Ever.
There's only been one time.
Yeah, there's only been one time he's ever remembered, so. Yep.
You have to delete it.
You're not gonna throw up. Don't be dramatic. Okay, Zach's taking a shot of wine because he hates it. But it's I literally would feed that to my unborn child. Babe, that's juice. That's not even wine.
Ugh.
I gave him this sangria that's 4% alcohol. It's really good, but it has no alcohol in it. And it tastes just like juice.
I hate the wine aftertaste.
But I'm drinking some 2016 Spanish Tempranillo.
Okay. Crazy. Where's the cork?
I don't know. I guess I gotta drink the rest.
Found it.
Yum! I love wine. Don't you?
No.
Babe, look, now they can really see how much taller you are than me from this angle. I never noticed it. I think you're exactly a foot taller than me, aren't you?
I think.
Because I'm 5'2".
Yeah.
And you're 6'2".
Yeah.
I don't consider myself short though.
No.